Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're opening the sequence and immediately focus on the program monitor. First, make sure the monitor is active by clicking it. Once done, press the spacebar to confirm playback works. If you can't see the monitor controls, toggle the wrench menu and choose playback settings. You want audio and frames in sync, so set playback resolution to full only when your GPU can handle it. Otherwise, use 1/2 or 1/4 to maintain real-time preview. Now you'll expand the program monitor to full screen. Press Ctrl plus Ctrl Grave or open the panel menu and choose Toggle Full Screen. Once the monitor fills the display, use Shift plus to exit quickly. This is helpful if you're on a laptop or using two monitors because Premiere treats them differently. Make sure overlays like safe margins or timecode are hidden in the wrench menu so you get a clean preview. And adjust playback resolution if the image stops. Finish by confirming what you saw. Scrub the timeline and use Export Frame to check full resolution detail. If the monitor shows a black screen or artifacts, open Preferences Playback and switch to software only to bypass GPU issues. This often resolves display problems. Should Premiere lag or refuse full screen, clear the media cache and restart the app. Finally, make sure your GPU drivers are current. Updating them fixes many preview and performance anomalies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.